Hello, you're watching Cooking at the Crib, and today you're going to learn how to make a B.I.G. BLT. You are going to need 3 ingredients, the B, the L, and the T. You take the B and you drop it in the frying pan. You only want to turn it once so it's nice and crispy.
Oh, bacon.
So if you're really hungry, you could wrap the bacon around the tongs and you could just put it over a fire like a rotisserie, but then it gets really greasy. I'm a big fan of bacon. I eat pounds of bacon at a time when I'm in the mood. As you can see, I'm very hairy. I should be wearing a body net instead of a hair net. My girlfriend says I have afro nipples. So now that the bacon has been fried, put the T in the L, and once you're done making your bacon, you eat it as a wrap. So if you like what you saw today and would like to see more videos on how to make ready-to-go recipes, click the subscribe button, and that's a wrap.
Good job.